Arimi a waru matikoretwo makigunika wega kuma urimi-ini uyu kuona magetha mao maguragwo ta ruhiu rutwiku ni mabroka. No riu thina uyu waga kugia kihonia kuona honge cia gitiri kinyitanira na honge cia kurumbuiya arimi ni cianjirie guthingatithia watho uyu wa waru. Akiaria keheri-ini ka mucemanio wa honge cigiri, komishona wa kaunti ya Nyandarua Benson Repar Murijo augite ati thirikari ndikuria mari gukinyukiria makinya aria makunyitikana makioha waru na ngunia cia makiria ma kilo 50.
So these regulations were published under legal notice number 17 of 15th April 2019, and these regulations came into effect on 5th May 2019. So these regulations provided that there should be a limit in the packaging, where a bag should only carry up to 50 kilograms and not more.
Augite watho uyu ukuhuthika kung'ethanira na mabroka aria makoretwo makihinyiriria arimi a waru na kumagurira maciaro mao na thogora wa thi, akiuga uri ukunyitikana ndekwirisha guko kurehu kwa watho.
I think we have already communicated to officers in the sub counties. We have a committee in the county at the county level, and we have other committees also at the in every sub county, because we have 9 sub counties. I think up to even up to the ward level. So now we want to reactivate these committees so that they start enforcing these regulations.
Murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa irio rwa Afa Beatrice Nyamwamu na CEC wa urimi kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua Dagitari James Kareto maugite watho uyu ukite kuguna arimi na uguo kumathingata kuhutia.
Horo wa packaging ya waru rateithiriria murimi na gutuika ati tene turona bona kana ni ikonia ria kilo 150 na kuima na meri na kilo 50 ukona thogora ucio ukona ringi na ringi mukulima ndararihwo kiria kimwagiriria kuringana na kilo ciake cia waru.
Just reminding the public that the law is still in force, and therefore they should not revert back to the extended bags. And that's the objective of our meeting today. And tomorrow we move to the various ward levels and sub-county to ensure that the farmers are packaging in the required maximum kgs. And finally, we will end our activities on Friday with a county launch of reminding stakeholders that the law is still in force.
Maugite honge ici no iguthii na mbere kunyitanira na kwanjia mihango ya guthomithia arimi uria watho uyu ugite makiuga riu ni ihinda mekuona bata wa guthingatithia watho uyu. Kamanda wa borithi kaunti-ini no Peter Kimani augite borithi ni mekuiga nyambo barabara-ini itiganite niguo gutigirira matereba na ahuri biacara thogori-ini ya waru matinauna watho uyu.
For us to be able to enforce those regulations, we have to mount roadblocks when necessary, because without mounting roadblocks, vehicles will not be able to stop.
Watho uyu wendekithitie mundu ukunyitikana akiwagarara ohwo miaka 3 njera kana ahurwo fine ya ciringi milioni 5 kana ahurwo fine o hamwe na kuohwo njera. Ngiribotera Inooro TV Jitagu John Kata Wanjohi.